This is Tap Tech, unlocking the specs that define tomorrow's flagship gear. You're about to witness the leaked blueprint for the most advanced camera Nikon has ever conceived. Stop scrolling. Seriously. If you own a Z9, or if you've been watching from the sidelines thinking your current camera is good enough, what you are about to hear regarding the Nikon Z9 II will force you to reconsider everything. Leaks and insider reports suggest this isn't an upgrade, it's a complete, ground-up rewrite of the professional mirrorless camera. We're talking features that sound like pure science fiction today, but will be your reality tomorrow. And trust me, the one feature everyone has been begging for? Nikon nailed it, but not in the way you think. Stay with us, because if you click away now, you're missing the definitive breakdown of the one camera that might genuinely make every other flagship obsolete. The original Nikon Z9 was a statement. It was Nikon saying, "We are here, and we're taking the mirrorless crown." It stripped away the mechanical shutter, delivered 8K video, and redefined speed. It was a massive leap. But 3 years in a pro cycle is an eternity, and the competition hasn't been sleeping. That's why the Z9 II isn't just an iteration, it's Nikon's preemptive strike against the next 5 years of camera innovation. Let's start with the heart of the beast, the sensor. Rumors are pointing to a brand new 45 to 61 megapixel stacked CMOS sensor. Now, higher resolution is nice, but that's the least exciting part. The real headline is the readout speed. The Z9 was already revolutionary, but the Z9 II is expected to double that pace. Why should you care? Because faster readout speed means zero rolling shutter, even faster burst shooting, and unbelievably quick data handling. We're talking potentially 120 frames per second at full resolution RAW, a number that frankly breaks the physics of modern digital imaging. But speed alone is just raw power. You need the brains to match, and that brings us to the rumored EXPEED processor. Yes, 2 of them. Dual processors. Think of the Z9 II not as a camera, but as a supercomputer that happens to have a lens mount. This is the engine that drives the true game-changer, AI Autofocus 2.0. The Z9's AF was excellent, but the Z9 II is said to integrate a deep learning AI system far beyond current capabilities. It's not just recognizing a face, an eye, or an animal, it's anticipating movement. Imagine setting focus on a subject and the camera predicting where they will be a millisecond from now, correcting for that motion before it even happens. Leaks point to enhanced subject detection for things like insects, obscure vehicles, and even subtle human gestures that were previously impossible to track. This means whether you're shooting a high-stakes Olympic event or a detailed documentary, the focus system simply melts into the background. The dual processors also suggest a monumental leap in the camera's ability to handle complex data tasks simultaneously. Think of background processing like never before, maybe applying lens corrections, noise reduction, or even generating high-efficiency image files, like HAF, while you're still firing a 40 frames per second burst. This dramatically improves the professional workflow, moving away from agonizing waits for the buffer to clear and straight into editing. Now, let's address the elephant in the room for every professional: video. The Z9 was an 8K pioneer, but it had limitations. The Z9 II is not just bumping the resolution or the frame rate, it's fundamentally changing the codec landscape. Reports are strong on not just internal 8K 60p and RAW, but whispers of a partnership or integration that allows for ProRes RAW HQ at up to 6K resolution and ultra-high frame rates at 4K, potentially pushing 240 frames per second with a high-quality codec. This is a massive shift for filmmakers. It's about more data, more dynamic range, and a vastly easier workflow in post-production. The sheer volume of data in 6K ProRes RAW at high frame rates is why those Dual EXPEED chips are essential. But there's a killer detail for video professionals: vastly improved thermal management. The original Z9 was a tank, but even it had limits under extreme stress. The The Z9 II is rumored to feature a redesigned, more efficient heatsink and body structure, allowing for virtually unlimited recording time in any resolution or codec. You start recording, and it doesn't stop until your battery dies or your card is full. That's a true professional feature, and it alone could sway high-end video users away from every other cinema camera on the market. Let's switch to the shooting experience, because what good is all that tech if the camera is a chore to use? The physical form factor is expected to remain similar to the Z9, that powerhouse, integrated vertical grip design that pros love. But two major ergonomic changes are rumored. First, a significantly higher resolution EVF, likely adopting the same micro-LED technology as some rivals but with Nikon's signature color science and a buttery smooth refresh rate that finally makes the optical viewfinder a thing of the past for all users. We're talking a viewer that is brighter, has higher contrast, and zero perceptible lag, making manual focus a dream and composition instantaneous. The second big rumor, a completely redesigned 4-axis articulating screen. Yes, still the robust, tilt-only mechanism of the Z9, but now with added articulation for full flip-out capability, giving you the best of both worlds without sacrificing durability or the ability to protect the screen completely. This is the kind of feature that acknowledges how professionals are shooting today: low-angle stills, high-angle video, self-shooting, all of it. It's a concession to modern creators without compromising the flagship's tank-like build. And what about those subtle, quality-of-life updates that nobody talks about until they save a job? We're looking at integrated 5G connectivity for faster image and video transfer directly from the camera to a server or news desk, a major win for sports and press photographers working under tight deadlines. This isn't just Wi-Fi, this is the ability to send massive RAW files globally in seconds. And a feature that will be revolutionary for studio and commercial work: true, deep learning-based pixel shift mode, capable of producing ultra-high-resolution images, think 200 plus megapixels, with nearly perfect color and detail, all processed in camera. This isn't just about resolution, it's about eliminating noir and achieving color fidelity previously reserved for medium format systems. Imagine commercial product shots or fine art landscapes with this level of detail. But let's go back to that number one rumor, the biggest secret, the one feature they've reportedly perfected, which ties all these other specs together: a refined hybrid global shutter capability. Not a full global shutter in the traditional sense, which can sacrifice dynamic range, but a new sensor architecture that effectively eliminates all detectable rolling shutter and flash sync limitations while maintaining the Z9's incredible low-light performance and dynamic range. It's the technical magic trick that makes all the insane frame rates and video resolutions actually work in a real-world, commercial environment. The Nikon Z9 II is rumored to drop with a price tag around $5,999 to $6,499, a hefty investment, but one that is absolutely justified by the technology packed inside. It's not a consumer purchase. It's a business tool designed to give working professionals an undeniable edge in speed, image quality, and reliability. This camera is for the photographer who has no room for error, the filmmaker who needs uncompromising video quality, and the creator who is already at the bleeding edge of their craft. The question isn't whether the Z9 II is good. The question is your current camera costing you the shot? Because with the Z9 II, that excuse is completely eliminated. The era of the all-in-one flagship camera is about to be redefined.